What is up, y'all? Back here for another video today. I was sitting here having my coffee, and after I finished my coffee, I started doing what I always do, which is throwing my EDC gear on, or the things that I carry every day to make my life easier. And, in a situation like mine, when you're in a situation like mine, English, people often do wonder what you do carry every day. And so instead of just throwing stuff on, I figured I'd make a video about it this time. So we'll start with a few of the utility stuff, and then we'll start with all the utility stuff actually. First thing I carry is a Buck 110 Hunter Special. This is my main knife for whatever I need it for, cutting zip ties off something, breaking down boxes or whatever. Just these are really, really good knives. They're quality made. And this one has been torture tested, I don't know how much, because I didn't buy this myself. I got it from my dad, so that's another reason I carry it. It just puts me closer to him. Next knife I carry as a backup / defensive knife, even though it's not either one of the two, but I'm making it work until I can find a defensive / fighting knife that I actually like. Is this little $15 Gerber folder. It ain't much, but if I gotta poke, stab somebody with it, I can. So there's that. And then, I know that you're gonna look like a third knife, but it's not, I swear. I carry one of these. If you know about the Leatherman Tool Company, some of you might know what this is, some of you might not, because it doesn't look like a standard Leatherman. And that's because it's the Leatherman exoskeleton, I think. I don't remember. My aunt told me exactly what it was when she gave it to me for a graduation present, but I can't remember whether it's the exoskeleton or whatever damn thing it is. But I carry this one because I already carry a big bulky thing in that. Well, not big and bulky, but I already carry a rather large bladed option when it comes to that buck. So I didn't want to carry a multi-tool that was fucking huge as well. So I started carrying this, and it served me quite well. See, I'm just kind of going through my pockets at this point. Unfortunately, I am a smoker, so I always have a pack of cigarettes on me. Not going to go into detail about those. Everybody's heard of cigarettes. And because, well, not because of cigarettes, but it's always a joke. Because of cigarettes, I always carry a big lighter on me. Well, like I said, not because of the cigarettes. You should always carry a lighter on you in case you gotta start a fire or, something. Fire's always nice to have. Now, let's get to the part of EDC videos that everybody asks about, especially if you're in my situation. Do you carry, and if so, what? Yes, I do carry. I carry M&P Shield 9mm. I know I'm not part of the double stack gang, unfortunately. Let me set this down so I can draw mag real quick. But stick sometimes. But stick sometimes. There we go. And this is rocking some Hornady critical defense hollow points. I don't know if y'all will be able to see these or not. There you go. Hornady critical defense hollow points. I believe these are 125 grains. If I'm not mistaken, I'll have to check the box. So, to quote my boy Terribly Tactical, if I have to skin that smoke wagon, it's gonna hurt a lot. And, you know, and let's see, what am I forgetting? Oh yeah, you carry a gun, unless you're an idiot, you carry it in a holster. Now, since my pistol is not a real deal, real steel pistol, I don't carry it in a high grade leather holster. Since my pistol is one of the Palmer Wonder 9s, I carry it in a all Kydex holster. And this is made by Vetter, which is a Oregon company also, if I'm not mistaken. It's form fit to the pistol. Actually, let me show y'all something. You can hear the snap. One reason I like this pistol is because of the tension on it. I'll show y'all something. Let me turn this around here. It is in the holster. I haven't chambered around yet. I'm not leaving the house, so everybody can stop freaking out. But look, you can shake the fuck out of this thing in the holster. It's not going anywhere. Which is what I like about it. So yeah, guys, that is my on-body EDC setup. If you guys want to see what is in my EDC bag that I carry on my back, let me know and I might do a video about that. But yeah, that's a person in a wheelchair's everyday carry setup. Well, at least mine, anyway. Everybody's setup is different, but mine works for me. If y'all got questions, leave me a comment, and I will answer it the best that I can. We'll see y'all in the next video. Remember, we are American made, and God bless.